Hello friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss Maj identity improper integral. 0 to infinity h2 ht gt equals to 0 to infinity hs gs ds, where hs is equal to Laplace of ht is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ht dt. Ht is equal to L inverse hs and gt is equal to LGS, means 0 to infinity e to the power minus st and gs is equal to L inverse gt. Here hs is Laplace transform of ht and gt is Laplace transform of gs. So friends, and ht is inverse Laplace transform of hs and gs is inverse Laplace transform of gt. So friends, must remember, I solve one problem, very common problem. I think that you will solve this by complex number Jordan lemma. Apply of Jordan lemma, we solve this problem. But now I solve it by Maj identity. So this is the problem integrations. This integration is very common integrations. We apply this result a lot of long integration. So this integration is I alpha is equal to cos alpha 0 to infinity cos alpha x square plus 1 dx. And must remember cos alpha x in here. Now I will teach that improper integral ht is in here, hx in here I can say cos alpha x, and gt means capital GT means in here means gx I can write capital Gx is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 into dx. Now you will see that according to the Maj identity I apply, whatever you get hx gx dx is equal to 0 to infinity hx become hs, I write hs, and gx become gs ds. Here hs is Laplace transform of ht. So I alpha is equal to hs means, what is the hs? hx means in here cos alpha x. So capital hs is equal to alpha divided by s square plus alpha square. Okay, so this is the hs, so I write in here alpha divided by s square plus alpha square, and gs means gs is very simple. Gs means gs is inverse Laplace transform of the gt, means L inverse gx is equal to gs, and L inverse, so my whatever I have told that gx is equal to, so 1 by x square plus 1, so L inverse 1 by x square plus 1 equals to whatever you get, I get sin x, so I multiply it sin x dx. A technical master Maj invented a techniques. This identity helps a lot of improper. We can use a lot of improper integral. So I used in here this, and this is the value 0 to infinity alpha into sin x into s square plus alpha square into dx. So friends, must remember that if it is this value is minus I dash alpha, because if I derivative I dash alpha is equal to my I dash alpha is equal to minus 0 to infinity sine alpha x divided by x square plus 1 and x. So this is I dash alpha. So I alpha divided by I alpha is equal to minus I dash alpha. Minus I dash alpha means I can write this is I alpha into di alpha into d alpha into minus, and di alpha by I is equal to minus d alpha, and this is ln I alpha ln I alpha is equal to minus alpha, and this is also c ln I can write this ln alpha and minus alpha. I can write this plus ln c. I can write this plus ln c. So I alpha is equal to e to the power minus alpha into c. Now friends, alpha value, this alpha value, alpha greater than equals to 0. This alpha value should be greater than equals to 0. Now I can put the alpha, c alpha means this. So alpha is equal to, I can write alpha is equal to 0. So whatever I get, I can get c is equal to 0 to infinity dx divided by x square plus 1 is equal to pi by 2. So my value is I alpha is equal to pi by 2 into e to the power minus alpha. This equation, this is the integration value. Integral value is, I go second page, and whatever I get 0 to infinity cos alpha x divided by x square plus 1 is equal to pi by 2 into e to the power alpha, and 0 to infinity cos x divided by x square plus 1 is equal to pi by 2e. Thank you friends for watching.